morning here at Stanley's. We just had the new awnings go up. Take a look at those, and in the back as well. You can also see a lot of the shrubbery that's going up back in the parking lot. Crews are still working hard. Today we're wrapping up the last day of construction. And you can see the outside has changed dramatically. Now this is the east side of the building. You can see the facade has changed a little bit to dark wood. This is the east side entrance to the patio. You can see there's a lot of shrubbery now. We'll walk on in. Now you can see the fireplace that'll be out here and a lot of shrubs. Still a little work to do, let's go inside.